Aquarius as lovers. The Aquarian approaches the game of love slowly, methodically, and deliberately. Playing the game of love is fun and should never be rushed. An unconventional but innovative charmer who can wow those around them. Full of surprises, they simply cannot be happy or fulfilled unless they are free to do as they like. They are never willing to sacrifice their autonomy, but will generally always put honesty ahead of romance. As a committed partner, they are likely to be faithful and trusting, as any form of dishonesty goes against the Aquarius grain. The Aquarian tendency is to approach sex via the mind, where they can share and discuss their thoughts with their lover. Then bed matters will be greatly enhanced. Their inherent curiosity tends to lead them to creative experiment between the sheets. So be prepared. A lover who can appreciate the Aquarian quirks and gently draw them out will create a romance dance that goes on and on. Aquarians often believe that their way is the best, so it's no surprise that they are attracted to a partner who might mirror those good qualities. Social interaction and ability to impress the masses for some good cause are near and dear to the Aquarian heart. So a partner in these areas is their just reward. An open-minded person willing to explore unlimited horizons will also help them reach new heights. A loving partner who can provide warmth and understanding can fulfill a major void in the life of the Aquarian. And if they can also embody the ability to share, then the relationship could go very far.